Hillary Clinton get the market down, or was it Ukraine nuclear power plant, or was it any other news? Well, we will soon jump into all the technical analysis. And before we jump into the technical analysis, let me welcome you all to the show, The CryptoSingh Show, and I'm Gunpreet Singh, and I welcome you all to the show. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below if you want to know anything about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoin. We'll be happy to answer on that. So today is a quick update on what's happening with the Bitcoin market. Well, of course, the Bitcoin will go back. I did tell in the last video that it's overbought. It was highly overbought. RSI was around 85, which did mean that we were heading for a pullback. Look, retests are never bad. They are actually good to know the strength of the market. But there's a lot going on in the market right now, and it got everyone bullish at 45, jumping from 37, 36 to another 45, which no one expected. And now again it has reversed to 41. So the markets have become very volatile. Let's see what's happening. Let's jump into all the technical analysis, all the news, what's happening around the world. So before we jump into it, please do like, share, subscribe, join us on the Telegram group. So let me just pull up all the news that's happening around the world. So let's see what did Hillary Clinton actually say about the entire crypto news. Let me play this video for you.
Everybody should ratchet the pressure. I was disappointed to see that some of the so-called crypto exchanges, not all of them, but some of them, are refusing to end every possible to isolate Russian economic activity right now. That pressure will absolutely impact Putin.
So this is what she said, but so I'm still on a bearish side, but let me explain you why. Now there are three things in this. Well, Hillary Clinton did say that we need to put brakes on Russia, but Bitcoin or altcoins or Ethereum, so the crypto market is decentralized. It's very difficult for someone to put or seize your Bitcoin or your assets. Some exchanges might go into it and do it, but the other thing that she didn't mention, which I personally think is, it did help Ukraine a lot. I mean, go on the website of the Ukraine official government, and a lot of their money has come into Bitcoin or Ethereum actually. So that is the good side about this crypto market. So, and also it's become a legal tender in the Swiss city. So we have that news right over here that Bitcoin and Tether become legal tender in Swiss city. So people are realizing that this is becoming legal. The only bearish sentiment right now, which is quite big, is the war right now, what's happening. Now Ukraine and Russia, they're still fighting, and Russia has reached near to the nuclear plant of Ukraine, which is actually means that there will be a lot of negative sentiments right now coming into the market. But again, if it comes down to 37, 38, buy it. I mean, you don't want to wait for those $7,000 and lose those millions of dollars when Bitcoin is going to be there. So let's jump into the technical analysis and see what the charts are saying. This is what the news is saying. Now we will see what the charts are saying. So before we get into the charts, please do like, share, subscribe. Join us on the Telegram group. Now the charts are showing is a very interesting pattern. Now what charts are showing basically is that you look at the trend line here. Now this trend line, this needs to be broken for us to get bearish. Now if this trend line breaks, I don't think we have, the support is not there till 40. We have this support here. Let me just click it here. So the next support would come around 38,400 or 38,500, and where we need to break is above this level, which is 42,000. Now if we break above 42 and sustain, we'll be in a bull mode. Now if we break below that, or if we are below that, if we don't sustain 42, so if we break 41 or 41,500 is actually the range. So it either has to break 42. If it goes below 41,000, then we are again bearish, because there is no support till 38,000. And right now the resistance is coming around 42,000. So we need to break that resistance at 42,000. We're very near to it. So we need to break the resistance, stay there, and stay there with volume. Volume predicts price. And if volume is coming in, that's what you want to see. So right now, I think everyone is looking bullish, bearish for now, because I think the US stock markets are going to open very soon. And once they open, we might see a bearish sentiment right now happening. So I think we're slightly on a bearish side right now. But if it breaks below 41, then there is no support till 38,000. So I hope that we don't break down, but it looks unlikely. It looks more likely to break down. The other interesting part is that I have always noticed that whenever gold goes up, Bitcoin comes down. It's one of the rare occasions where gold is also up and Bitcoin is also up. So I see a lot of movement happening in gold. So metal would be rising. I would think that gold would be rising very soon. So if the gold rises, I think the Bitcoin might pull back a bit. So let's see what happens when the US market also opens. So we will wait for it to happen. And exactly these were the levels I said in my previous video. You could probably check my previous video, exactly what I said. And exactly as I said, there is going to be a pullback, and there is a pullback we are seeing right now. But in this pullback, let me also tell you, we are again now not in the overbought territory, but in the oversold territory. Now that is again bullish. So you might get a spike also. So right now is a range which is a very important range. We must break above 42,000. The research or these, what's happening in the market, the sentiments look bearish to me. But people are buying Bitcoin, and that's the reality. People are buying Bitcoin. We don't know where the bottom would be. So we'll wait for the charts to really tell us what is happening. But the range has become really small. And if we break below 41, there is no support till 38,500. So let's hope where we go. I hope you're liking the content. Please do share, like, subscribe, and comment below if there is anything you want to know. Join us on the Telegram group. I hope you're liking our content. Thank you very much. Signing off here, TheCryptoSingh from the Crypto Singh Show. Take care. Bye bye.